Hello lovely people, me again, and me with more RCAs. It's gonna be a quick one, just if you're ever gonna decide to buy these ones, so these are fake knockoffs of WBT from China. So this is the rhodium version, the silver one, but they have it in gold plated as well. And these RCAs are a bit different if you compare them to any other regular RCAs. So regular RCAs, it has like basically you solder here the positive lead and here the negative, you cut it and you pop that one in and you're golden. But this is a bit different. So these, I'm gonna remove this one very quickly. You see, okay, so the positive lead, it's hollow. If you look here as well, you can see there's a hole. So basically you can feed the whole wire. You don't have to solder it here. You can make it from here up till the very end, and it's gonna fill the whole positive thingy. And the negative, if you can see, there's nowhere really to solder the negative shield. You could solder it here on these two, but it's very difficult because then you won't have clearance to close this, because this it's not gonna have any clearance, yeah? So you won't be able to, if you're gonna have like a bulge of solder here, you won't be able to close them. So I found another way how to do this. So this is a piece of wire, just as an example. So I'm gonna remove the shielding up till around here. Okay, I'm gonna try to do it as fast as I can. Okay, removing the shield. Just like that. Cool. So now I have like up till here. I'm gonna spread this very fast. I'm trying to make a short video, but these things always take longer. Okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut these like in half. I'm gonna make them shorter, just like that. It's gonna be a bit of a mess, but yeah, something like that. Yeah, looks good. I'm gonna remove this aluminium foil. Cool. And now I'm gonna expose the inside the positive lead. So I'm gonna cut it here, something like this. And I have this. So for regular RCAs, you would need only like to fit it there. Sorry, no focus. Yeah, so you need only like this. But for this one, since it's going inside, you can have the whole long positive one. And now the more interesting part. I'm gonna take this braiding. I'm gonna put the braiding up until the end. And what I'm gonna do, these negative strands, the shielding, I'm gonna fold over the braiding, just like that. So it's gonna be thicker. And then I take this and I feed it through. See, it's going in and it's going in. And then this, you feed like this. Okay, so see, I cut it a bit too long. So it goes through, which is weird. So let me cut it a bit shorter, this one. That's like that. So, and you see all of this shielding, yeah, it's around the braiding. And when you put it in, there's basically no gap. All the shielding is touching the shield, the negative part. So I'm gonna squeeze this in very tight, and it's tight. See, it's not going anywhere, so it's very tight. And then if you put, where did I leave that? Okay, found it, this one. I'm gonna put this one in, And what it does, sorry, there we go. And what it does, it squeezes all the cable inside. I'm gonna make it flush, just like that. And basically what happens is, it's similar to a ferrule. We have, you see that wire is it, so all the braiding that's folded, it's touching the whole barrel of this, yeah. And the thing is, it's so tight, it's not gonna go, literally you cannot pull it out, no how. And this, what you do with this one, you put some flux and solder, and all the solder is going inside, and it might even leak through here from the bottom. So you have all the positive one filled with solder and there's no gaps. And basically this is how I do these RCA plugs. Now, is it 100% correct? Probably not, I don't know, but this is my way, how I do it. And if you can see, you don't need any heat shrink. It's super, super tight, you cannot pull it out. So just for fun, let me just quickly remove this. Let me remove this thingy, just like that, and let's pull it out. And you can see it digs deep there, and this, the shield is molded to this barrel. Cool. So this is a tip for you if you're going to decide to buy any of these fake ones, because they go by WBT and some other ones as well. And but the thing, the inside barrel is the same from what I looked at AliExpress. Cool. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.